Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Look at this, it's a dark black color. Let's start. A square. We are drawing a square. What is this shape, kids? It's called a square. A square. Circle. What is this? Circle. Triangle. This is triangle shape, kids. Triangle. Now we are drawing a star. Look at this. How to draw a star? It's a very simple. It's a star shape, kids. A star, heart. It's a heart shape, kids. Heart, pentagon. We are drawing pentagon shape, kids. Pentagon. Now learn some colors. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute colors. Look at this. Look and learn. Yellow green color, yellow color, forest green color, blue color, green color, orange color, red color. Look at this. Deep yellow color. Deep yellow color, forest green color, forest green color, cool gray color, cool gray color, old red color, old red color, rose red color, rose red color, pastel blue color, pastel blue color. Now learn 2D shapes. A square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.